And we are off to Leavenworth, Washington, only about a half hour away from Wenatchee, where they have got the town in a Bavarian style theme, and this carries on all throughout the town. Even the local Starbucks is Bavarian themed, which is really, really neat. And this is right before the tree lighting, where they've already got some of the lights already up for the holiday season, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Great place to stop and visit, take pictures. But I do warn you, it is very, very cold out here. You are up in the mountains, and so cautious getting up here. And then when you are up here, definitely bundle up, get that hot chocolate, get that coffee, and find some places with a nice fire and fire pit. There is one going to be coming up here, which I will caption, and definitely worth a stop. So hopefully you enjoy this video. And I'll pop back on one more time to show you this cool little place we found as we are going out of town. Sorry about that. One more thing to add is when you do come up here, I would probably come up here during the weekday and probably avoid the weekend unless you really, really like that hustly bustly crowd, and it will be a lot easier also to find parking.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
times, and we've never actually stopped here when they're open, but it does look really, really cool. The lights and the old trucks actually get us to stop, and it is phenomenal. Definitely worth a stop, even if you do nothing but take pictures of the lights. They are very, very pretty. They put a lot of work into this. I believe this place is called Smallwoods, and hopefully you like this. Again, if you like this, please like and subscribe. It helps us out very, very much. Thank you for watching.
Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? Oh, it's time for Christmas. Oh, it's time for us. Oh, it's time for Christmas. Don't you know? 365 chances of the year to try to make it right. You have to see it clear. We all need a helping hand to put our things aside. It's time to take a stand with our eyes open